Action.
We are interviewing Puck from Midnight Summer's Dream. Puck, who do you follow in this book?
I have to follow the king of the fairies, Oberon.
What do you think about Theseus and Hippolyta's relationship?
I don't like that they fight all the time, but the relationship has gotten a lot better.
What is your role in the book?
My role is I am Oberon's lieutenant.
Why do you like to follow Oberon all the time?
I like to follow Oberon because he is a king, and if I am around a king, good things will happen.
What do you think about the three lovers?
I kind of feel like some of the problems with the three lovers is my fault. Oberon told me to put the flowers in the eyes of Demetrius, and I accidentally put them into Lysander's eyes. It was kind of Oberon's fault because he didn't explain to me what Demetrius looked like. So I mixed Demetrius and Lysander up as the same person.
Thank you. This interview is over.